fuel gauge sending unit out of my 92 Geo tracker that I bought a couple months ago. It's got all kinds of little issues, so I'm just taking care of them slowly, but not having a fuel gauge was pretty annoying. So here it is here. You get your float. So put my glasses on here. So I figured where the problem is. You pull this metal cover off there. Here's your float. Okay, there's a little wire right there. I don't know if you can see it. It's broken off. Goes right onto there. So I'm thinking this probably could be repaired by soldering that wire at the tip of my fingernail on there. It just connects to there. But it's all rusted, so yeah, apologies. I didn't think about making the video until after I had pulled this out, but I mean, you'll see me put the new one in, so it's the opposite of that to pull it out. I did check power to this through the driver's side tail light with the multimeter. Just undid these two Phillips head screws there and used my multimeter. But shout out to Tony from Highway 83 Suzuki. You should check that channel out. It's got a lot of good info. You know, I've got the manual and that, but sometimes a visual is much better. That's why I'm doing this video for you guys. I mean, I couldn't find anything on changing this sending unit on YouTube, so that's why I figured I'd throw this video up. So yeah, so go check out his channel, and it shows you how to test for power there. But it's pretty straightforward. Just use your multimeter, and I believe it's the pink wire with a black stripe on it, tracer I guess you call it. You know, after just moving this around a bit, this one broke off at the top here too. So someone in the past has cut me in a nice little access panel, so I don't have to pull the fuel tank. Okay, now I'm just gonna check how much fuel I have in there. Yeah, that gasket looks really good quality. It's nice and thick. Tank looks nice and clean in there. Apparently this is a newer tank. You would have thought they would have changed the sending units, but they don't come with the tank, so anyways, get that off of there. Actually, this one's got the lip around here, so I think I'm going to reuse this one. Just clean it off because it looks in good shape. You see, this one didn't come with a lip on it. This has that lip there, so this one doesn't have it. So I'm going to take this one off. And I'm going to put this one on. It's even got a little, like a space for the float to go through, and this one's just round. So I don't know. I think this one looks better quality, so I'm just going to put it on. And it seems to fit nicely on there. So this can only go in one way to line up the holes on the top here. I almost went and drilled on this because the holes didn't seem to want to line up. The float points kind of on an angle that way. So anyways, let's get it back in. Sorry for the lighting. Okay. Now, I really should have probably cleaned the top of the tank off before I did this, but I didn't. So just be careful here. Put that down, put that down in there. There we go. Yeah, just do them up by hand. Probably best. Plug that back in. go. Okay, let's test it out. Looks like it's moving. I thought for a second there it wasn't going to work. Never actually seen this with a fuel gauge that works. It looks like it's slowly coming up. Guess I could have turned the lights on for you. It works! So I'll probably deal with this, pull it off, see if I can maybe fix it. And then I'm going to clean this up, put the cover plate back on with some more goop. Alright, so I got this all cleaned up. Put a bead of this stuff all around it. So got that back in there. Use this real sticky duct tape. That's gonna have to do for now. Got some holes. They line up there. Try and not get it all over myself. Okay, oh, I sure made a mess of that. Just like nothing happened. Some of you might have noticed the bar that went across that holds the fuel tank, I guess is what it is, was rusted out pretty good. Where the fuel tank attached here and here though, it was solid. It was basically solid from here over and from here over. It was the middle that was rusted out. So I'm gonna take a steel bar and drive it through when I have the back tires off, putting some new shocks on it. And that'll help just support it. And I'll do another video of this and show this rig outside. It's just in my little shop now. Show you what it looks like. Anyways, I hope it helped you, and I'm sure I'll have a few more tracker sidekick videos coming up in the future. This is a 30-year-old vehicle, so there's all kinds of little things still I want to do. The heat's not blowing very good in it, so I'm going to check the thermostat and check a few other things under the dash, and hopefully it's nothing major. But I'm sure there'll be another video. All right, check out my channel. Please subscribe if you haven't already. All right, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.